Yo, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back all. This is your African voice, myself Gabs Gabi, and I'm here with
Muhib from Sudan.
Yeah, and I'm from South Sudan. All African boys here. We are currently in India, and Bangladesh is celebrating the Republic Day.
Yeah, Independent Day.
Yeah, the Independent Days.
51.
51.
Exactly.
Because the video we are going to react to it is like 50 and 1 year back, meaning that tomorrow is the 51 Republic Day of Bangladesh. And do you know how Bangladesh got their Republic Day? You can tell them we already reacted to 3 videos of Bangladesh guys.
Yeah.
So I think he knows. Just tell them.
I guess in 1971.
Okay.
In 1971 they took independence from Pakistan. Yeah. This is 51 Independent Day.
Okay. So before going into the video, let's just wish them and say happy Independent Days, happy Republic Days to all the Bengali people watching here.
Yeah, they speak Bengali, yeah?
Yeah, Bengali people.
Not from Africa.
Indian President Nath Kovind is in Dhaka as Bangladesh celebrates the 50th anniversary of its independence. To mark the historic day, a number of events are planned in Dhaka. Bangladesh President Abdul Hamid, along with the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, oversaw the parade at the National Parade Ground in Dhaka as the national program for the Victory Day began. The Indian President Nath Kovind is attending the program as the guest of honor, signifying the special relationship between the two countries.
Victory Day National Parade.
They are celebrated nicely.
Simultaneously in India as well, the day was commemorated with leaders paying tributes to those who fought in the 1971 war at the National War Memorial in New Delhi.
Hey. No, this is not New Delhi, this is Dhaka. Okay, the Prime Minister.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid his tributes to the braveheart soldiers who fought in the war,
Prime Minister of India.
While recalling the valor and sacrifices of the soldiers, Prime Minister Modi also laid a wreath at the National War Memorial. Our correspondent Lakmeena Jasmine Soma sent us this report from Dhaka. Take a look.
The capital.
Bangladesh today celebrates the 15th anniversary of its national victory, remembering the freedom fighters as well as the Indian army who fought and made the supreme sacrifice to free the country from the Pakistani occupation forces. Victory Day this year has special significance as it coincides with the birth centenary of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation, and the golden jubilee of Bangladesh's independence. It is also a celebration of 50 years of Bangladesh and India relations. Notably, Indian President Sri Nath Kovind is the only foreign head of nation state invited to the celebration as a guest of honor. On this occasion of victory, many programs are being celebrated not only in the capital but also across the country. This is Lakmeena Jasmine Soma for WION in Dhaka.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys. So we are also curious to know, like, how do they celebrate their independence?
Exactly.
Because in India we used to see like they do the hell march, the parade, and they show all the traditional things. And they also invite this chief guest.
I guess the relationship between India and Bangladesh is too strong.
Yeah, it's very
because
strong.
The India helped Bangladesh to take the independence from Pakistan. So you can see the
You can see even the PM, Prime Minister. Prime Minister is there.
Prime Minister is there, yeah.
Maybe this year also
he will go.
Maybe he will go, guys.
He will go.
Yeah, this show the good relationship between these two countries.
Yeah.
And I saw most of the viewers in the video we reacted before about economic of Pakistan and Bangladesh. All of them, they are telling that Bangladesh economic is stronger than Pakistan.
I don't guess so.
What do you think about that?
No, I don't guess so because see, Bangladesh is like a small country, so that's
in population is the population is less compared to Pakistan. I know that.
But according to economic, I guess, according to power and economic, but
in power,
Pakistan
no doubt.
Pakistan
In power,
is
no
better.
doubt. Pakistan is stronger than Bangladesh. I can say that. In power, like military.
Yeah.
But economic, I can say no. It can't be. Okay, it varies because the country population is different.
All of them that use ruby. Yeah.
Yes, they use rupees, but
So-
the GDP of
Is
Bangladesh.
It's 8 million, and here in Pakistan like 6 million.
No. In that video, I don't remember how much the GDP, but per capita, Bangladesh is higher than all the per capita is higher than the Pakistan.
Dhaka is higher than Islamabad. That video.
Yeah, per capita
Yeah,
is
yeah.
higher, and that's why you see in there is no that much of a economic crisis. Pakistan is
Yeah,
suffering
yeah,
a lot
yeah,
of
yeah.
economic crisis.
Exactly.
People are suffering poverty a lot in Pakistan.
And there is little racism.
Yeah, and you see, Bangladesh people, they have a lot
They are
of
friendly.
import and export. How will
Exactly.
they suffer the economic crisis?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
know poverty is there in every country, but
But
compare
less.
it, yeah, it's less. It can be less to.
When you compare it between Pakistan and Bangladesh,
Yeah,
we just see here
Pakistan.
is less.
Yeah,
Bangladesh.
this is what we see totally different. Bangladesh is, I think, like, how do you see them in future? Like maybe after 10 years, how do you think
They have-
Bangladesh will
They have
be?
proud future, amazing future. They're waiting for them.
Yeah.
So because they're still growing.
Yeah, it's growing and
They
it's
just-
successfully going. And what I like about this country, like
Yes.
the government board is shared, just like similar. They have, I think Bangladesh, they are following some protocol and politic of Indian
Exactly.
protocol and politic. You can see the government is both shared with male and female like that, right?
Yeah.
And in every country, I see woman as a leader. Like most of such country, the development is good because women they don't have that much intention like we men.
Exactly.
For us men, we
Yes.
are so sometimes we love money. Men love
Yeah,
money, and this is what will lead to corruption and maybe not making country to develop.
Yes.
But you can see Bangladesh is so good. Like the citizens are happy, I think.
Yeah. See,
Citizens
there's
are happy.
like countries they took independence before 200 but 200 years ago,
But
or still
Still suffering. Some
still suffering
countries,
a lot.
yeah,
And still
suffering.
before
Bangladesh only 50
51,
years.
51.
That can be an age of someone who is still now there.
Yeah, still alive. Even
Still
my
alive.
father
Yeah.
bigger than that.
Yeah, man. That is something nice to know
Something-
about
something
Bangladesh.
Really amazing.
Yeah, we are so curious to know more about Bangladesh.
The way how celebration in Independence Day.
We want also to know, guys, in Bangladesh, is there Africans there?
Yeah. I guess African
Yeah,
everywhere.
Like if African are there, I think maybe they go for job, but not for study.
Yeah.
Because even I see Bangladeshi students, they are coming in India.
India, they are studying in
They are
India.
coming
yeah.
to study in India.
So I guess
And-
only for business.
Yeah,
but
for
let us
business.
know if they African
Huh.
there.
Yeah, we are going to react to the capital city, which is Dhaka, after this video. So we are so happy and glad to be knowing more about Bangladesh. Make sure to suggest for us more videos.
Yeah.
And make sure you are watching. Join the family. We are going to react to Bangladesh all the time, guys, because
Make
actually,
sure-
you know what? Most of my Bangladesh people, they are so
Oh.
loyal now.
Yeah.
Now they are watching our videos and they are so loyal, kind. They are dropping the comment.
Yeah, they're dropping
They
comment.
are commenting in the video. This is what made us more interested.
Us more happy.
Yeah, and to keep reacting to Bengali
Bengali.
people. So suggest the video. Tell us your reaction. Feel free, guys. We are here to share love and peace. Whatever you
Exactly.
feel, drop it down. Happy Independence Day.
Love from Africa.
Yeah, we wish you all the best in economic and military. Obviously, Bangladesh.
Everything.
Yeah. They say also one guy told me that through the help of India, and there is one country which also helped Bangladesh. Is it like Russia?
Russia?
Is Russia and India friend?
No, I think so. I guess India and British, they are friendly. India and British are United States of America. But Russia and India,
Okay,
no
okay.
way.
India and United States.
Yeah,
yes,
you can say
exactly.
that,
I
you
think
can
like
say
that.
that.
Yeah.
But if you said
And
Russia,
the country which was supporting Pakistan is China and the Arabian countries.
China and Arabian
You
country
will-
and
you will.
Russia also.
Yes, exactly, guys.
Right.
Thank you so much. Huh?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, like, share, and go and watch our vlogs in
Yeah,
Gams
yeah.
Gabi TV, guys. Happy Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Kullu aam wa antum bikhair.